Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately, I have no room. So, do you speak Spanish?
It's your lucky day.
No, not good day.
Okay.
Meron pa bang room dyan?
You're here?
No.
No. Okay.
Nandiyan siya banyo yan.
Banyo. Next ako dyan. Swerte mo naman.
Okay, so I'm going to come through the bus down this side first with my phone with a photograph of the Wi-Fi code. So have your phone ready if you want to use the Wi-Fi. Take a photograph and then you can sign in, okay? And then I'm going to come back up the other side from the back forward with a different route. I'm about to get this each, okay? Tour America, Washington, D.C. tour. We're getting out just a couple minutes behind, but not too bad. So these buildings are called cold water walk-ups. When they moved into these back then, they were tenements. People were living 10 to a one-bedroom apartment, or more, possibly. Today it's a rent-controlled area, which means it's rent-protected. It's also protected architecturally. And this street we're on, 9th Avenue, is called Restaurant Street. It's the highest concentration of bars and restaurants in North America. Nearly 400 bars and restaurants. Great place to come eat, by the way, if you're over in Midtown, because these places here are about 25 to 30% less expensive than over in Midtown. Every kind of food you can think of, too. Here's 42nd Street. Here's my old building right there, that brown and beige striped building. Only reason I'm mentioning that is because kind of give you a comparison for pricing living in New York City. I moved into that place on the 40th floor, like the wall in Game of Thrones. It keeps New Jersey out of New York and New York out of New Jersey. Because you know, winter is coming. I'm also going to pass back 2 books, if any of you want to look at it if you're not movie watchers. One is on Washington, D.C., a walking tour and a bus tour in the 1890s, 120 years ago. And the other one is on the building of the Lincoln Memorial. Some great photographs inside of what that area looked like. You won't believe it 120 years ago. So I'll pass these back, and if you don't want to look at them, just pass them back. When they get to the back, swap sides. Thank you. One of the largest chemical plant actually in the eastern United States over there on our left. Now if you just look for a second at my hands, I'm forming the letter U with my finger. This is what we're looking at in front of us. On the right side of the U, the right arm, is the continental United States, the mainland. Delaware is on a peninsula. It starts with Wilmington here, goes all the way out on our left to the Atlantic Ocean. And there, on the left side of that U, it turns and goes parallel with us down the Atlantic coast. That's the peninsula. In the center of that U is the Great